Hello everyone, welcome to Aletheia Cakes channel. It's an honor to have you here, so thank you so much for taking the time to join us today. A big thank you to everybody who's already subscribed to this channel. We don't take it for granted, so may God bless you for doing so. If you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so by clicking on the subscribe link below. As a way of introduction, my name is Kisa Tembo and I am the founder of Aletheia Cakes. I am originally from Malawi in Africa. I am a wife to a God-fearing man and I am a mother to 2 beautiful girls. So today, I just wanted to take the time and to share with everybody about what's going to be happening on this channel. We are going to be bringing to you the different kinds of cakes and cupcakes that we'll be doing. We're going to be offering you some baking and cake decorating tips and tutorials. We'll also be providing some biblical advice and encouragement. If you'd like to find out more about us, you can find us on Instagram or on Facebook as Aletheia Cakes. You can also visit our website www.aletheacakes.co.uk, or you can call us on 07506 583 755. Thank you so much for joining us today. God bless.